Indeed allows you to search for jobs from your computer and from the Indeed mobile app. Either way, the experience is a little bit customized for each user and device, and some features will only work if you have an Indeed account. This means that what you see in this video may not match your screen exactly, but the general process should be the same. When you open the Indeed mobile app or go to Indeed.com, you will see two search boxes. Enter the job that you are looking for into the first box, and the location where you are looking into the second box. Then click Find Jobs. The search will return a list of job postings. If you don't see any jobs that interest you, try experimenting with different search terms. Or try using some of the filters to narrow down the results. You can also click Advanced Search for even more options. By default, job postings are sorted by relevance, but you can change this if you want. Sorting by date makes it easier to see new postings. Another way to stay on top of new job postings is to create email alerts. Start by finding the email alert box either on the right side or the bottom of the page. Make sure the correct email address is entered, then click Activate. You will now receive an email whenever a new job is posted that matches all of the search criteria you are currently searching for. You can view, edit, and delete your job alerts by navigating to the profile menu and choosing Email Preferences. Okay, now let's look a little closer at the job postings themselves. Each posting is a little different, but at a minimum, you will see the job title and the name of the company. If the job allows you to apply directly through Indeed, that will also be indicated. If a job posting catches your eye, click to learn more. A new window pops up with more information about the job and the requirements that they are looking for in a candidate. Read through this carefully to decide if this job would be a good fit for you. Some job postings include additional information, such as pay and benefit details, but not all do. If you're interested in the job but not ready to apply, you can click the heart icon to save the job posting. Saving jobs is super helpful when you're on the go. But don't wait too long, as many jobs fill quickly or the application has a deadline. You can view your saved jobs by navigating to the profile menu and choosing My Jobs. When you decide that you're ready to apply, click the Apply button. Some job postings direct you to another website to fill out a custom application, while others let you apply directly through Indeed. The process might look a little different for each job, but there will be a few things in common. Every application will ask for a resume. If you have an Indeed resume, you can choose to apply with that resume or to upload a custom one. Every application will also give you the chance to add a cover letter. Don't miss this opportunity, as cover letters are a good way to show employers that you are a serious candidate. You can type a cover letter directly into the application, or you can attach one. Be sure to customize your cover letter for every application that you submit. Some Indeed applications require you to fill out a short questionnaire about your experience, and some might even ask you to take a skills assessment to prove your competency. Whatever is asked of you, always answer truthfully and to the best of your ability. Once you finish going through all of the steps, you will have a chance to review your application one last time before clicking Apply. Job hunting is hard, but hopefully this video helps make the process a little less painful.
GCF Global, creating opportunities for a better life.